Alright guys, how's it going? This UI is made by Mosin UI on X or Twitter. So if you guys want to go ahead and shoot him a follow. Yeah, I found this UI really interesting and it is quite nicely designed. So I think this will be fun to try and make or recreate. So yeah, if you guys are ready, let's hop right in. First things first, I think we're going to create the headers. So I think 20 pixels for the corner should work. Well, actually, I'm going to make this larger, something like that. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and create that. Okay, 20 is too much. Let's go for 15. And then we have a basic color here. And okay. Inside we're going to make a layer. Right click, create mask, and then basically this will be a shape that is clipped inside like so. And then we can basically apply a nice gradient with the angle of 0, so it goes from left to right, and then we can add a nice subtle gradient like so. Okay, let's add some basic text. Use any font you want. Okay, here we are. Right here is fine. Make sure it is centered. Okay, we're gonna copy, and this will become rank. I'm gonna make this smaller. Yeah, 6 pixels is fine. We're going to copy the gradient of the shape here and paste it. So we have rank, money. We go center align for the text, and bounty. Okay, we are off to a good start. And if you see here, there are these icons for each category. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to find some icons here for us. So I'm gonna go all, and then larger size. I'm gonna go for, I don't know, like rank, or actually stats. That's probably better, like a chart. This thing over here. Okay, I'm just gonna go for like this right here, I guess. And so basically, we cut, or well, clip, I mean, and then Control I to invert the colors. Sorry. And the icon is gonna go right here. Then we can basically lower the opacity. It's like 10, right? And we have money and bounty. So money, for example, we got some dollars here. I have spent hundreds of hours making these videos and also designing products for you guys. If you are a creator who is serious about their dreams and goals in creating game projects, or if you are a creative and a designer as well who is looking to make a career out of designing, then you will appreciate these design resources I have created. If you're building an anime inspired game, well, we have interface kits just for that. If you want a free sample, you can get the preview bundle completely for free. So if you are serious, then check it out with the link below or gfxcomment.com. If you are not serious, these are not for you and you can ignore this message. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Lastly, we have bounty. So I'm just gonna go for like a mask here. This is pretty similar, I would say. We have this like toggle for expanding or collapsing. So we're gonna go for our ellipse. 44 pixels should work. We're gonna go fill off, stroke on. Go for 2 pixels and then fill. 10 is fine. We're gonna go for nice simple arrow. Arrow, just like so. I'm gonna go invert handcuffs for the title portion. So I'm gonna grab this right here, and then Control I. Now, if you see, we're gonna take this shape, drag it out, make a copy. I'm gonna hide, And then I'm gonna go right click and rasterize layer style. I'm gonna go control click on our rectangle. I'm gonna go inverse and backspace. Control D, and now we have a cutout, because this will allow us to clip this icon and have it visible like here, you know. So 10 opacity, 25, 35. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead. I'm going to change the background color. Okay, anyways, now we're gonna go for this little each individual tab here. Let's just grab the rectangle here, copy this out, and we're going to resize. Okay, there we go. Pretty cool. We're gonna add a little spot for the avatar icons right there, and then just copy our text. We're gonna go type out player name like so, and this has a gradient as well. So player name at player. Okay, size like 4 pixels. Okay, we can copy the gradient and then obviously paste. So we have player name, we have rank, which you could add an icon here. We have money, so for example 20k. Gradient here like so. Also right here. Oh, brighter. All right. We have money, and lastly we have bounty. So let's go for 1,000. This is like a orange reddish kind of gradient here. No, I can't even see it, but it's fun. It is fun. Okay. This should be good. Okay, I'm just gonna add our logo for the rank icon. And let's fix the spacing here. Okay, so here is each tab, and basically this is all we need, because this stuff here is just a color difference, well, besides the icon, right? So we have this thing. Let's copy down here, and this will be one section. This will be one group like so, and then we just copy. Okay, so here this will be police, right? Yeah, police. Yeah. Okay, police. Boom, and then basically we can Control U, change the color to blue. Ignore the little overlap. Okay, so police. And basically all these colors will be adjusted. We're going to copy the header. Once more, this will be criminals. Criminals like that. And obviously, Control U, change the color. Just like so. Alright, here is what we have, as you guys can see. We're going to fix the transparency and add those effects inside of Studio, but this is the basic design. Let's take a look at what we have to export. Well, obviously all the icons, and that's going to be quite cumbersome. I don't think I'm going to explain how to export the icons, but basically the general rule here is that for shapes like this, you're going to want to export in the color white like this, so we can recolor and add a gradient inside of Studio. So basically export this with the arrow, all these icons, and the rest we can make inside of Studio. So yeah, I will see you guys inside of Studio. Okay, so I have all of our icons here, as you can see. How are we gonna so screen GUI, leaderboard, make frame canvas, Boom. We could add a background color. We will take this off later. But I think first things first, we're going to so basically, okay, I'm not gonna talk too much. If you guys want to slow down or pause the video, you can, but if I was just to narrate every single step, I think this would take way too long. But auto size Y, I think we'd go for like the header size 1157 by 72. Okay, and move this like somewhere else for now. It's gonna blocking my view. And let's go for a simple color right here, and then obviously like a corner, right? Let's go for XX, and then right here is fine. 0.1, 0.2. Okay, so we have a frame. I think this will be our container that holds basically all of our stuff. Makes no sense. Okay, I think we go size scale. Yeah, resize UI 72. Okay, 35.0336. Okay, so container, and then I'm gonna go Control C, Control Shift V. Oops. This will be section, alright? So each section will consist of the header and the player tabs. So the idea is that container holds the 3 sections of the teams. All this stuff will resize according to the players, right? I'm just gonna copy the size 72 for the Y value. So like, okay, these two are the same size, I believe. Now, okay, so these two are the same size now. And basically for section, okay, we're gonna copy, paste. This will not be auto size, none. This is gonna be the header. Change the color of the section here. So header, make sure all this stuff like resizes. And anyway, so we have header. I'm going to add image label, the title. I'm gonna grab the asset, paste, like so. And then 458 by 72, 458, Y10. Go scale, background off. Let's add a gradient, like I said earlier. Go for nice little orange color. To like this. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Let's add our icons. Alright. I'm gonna go for icon. This will go inside title. Okay. Cuffs. Paste. 93 by 63. Okay. Nice little icon here. We go for list layout, I think. Yeah. Probably like bottom, and then transparency. There we go, and then I'm going to add a frame now. Go. Let's lay out horizontal, and I'm gonna have this like size Y1 0, stretch this across. So scale and text container and text label. This layout. And let's go ahead and change color. Okay, this will be vertical center. Fonts, color white, and text scale, like so. Turn off. And align by the left. Okay. All the way across, and we can resize like that. So text container, and then we can basically take the background off, right? Scale, and we can add some padding here on the left side. So UI padding, left side, offset 5. There we go. So that is our header. And now for our content, I'm gonna go for new frame. This will be background textures. Okay, this will be our icons basically. So I'm gonna fit to like about here. Okay, it's pretty good. Scale. This will be UI list layout. I'm going to start from the, I think, horizontal center and vertical center. And then we'll start with an icon. We're going to go for rank first. Rank. Right here, copy and paste. Background off. Size 82. It would be easier if you made these like icons square. It would be much easier, but let's go for a vertical bottom actually. So rank, I'm going to copy. This is going to be money and bounty. I'm going to scale yet. Scale for horizontal. Padding, I don't know, like 0.2. It's pretty good, I think. So next let's have money. Paste right here and bounty. Let's see, have the right sizes. 91 plus money. Yep. Bounty is gonna be 64 by 41. So 64 by 41. Okay, we have our icons. Let's take off the background here. Let's go scale all with an aspect ratio constraint. And modify the transparency. 8.5 I think should suffice. Okay, here is our basic header, as you guys can see. And inside of header, now we're gonna add a frame. This is gonna be our labels, text labels, basically. And we're going to match, well, we can copy background textures actually. We call this text labels or labels container, for example. Take off the icons. We're gonna add our text in here. We go for align vertical center. Well, I'll just copy our text. I don't know what I'm doing. Copy here. And let's make sure we go text line center. Just grab the same gradient. Paste. Let's go for rank. Adjust the spacing. Rank. Money. Like this right here. As you guys can see. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Make this a little longer, but decrease the Y value here if we can. Y value, I don't know, like 30, 25. Yeah, it's better. We're gonna go scale. Or actually, decrease like points. Yeah, 0.16. Okay, pretty cool. Yeah, lastly, we can add a frame. Okay, we're gonna go for a corner. 1, 0. We're gonna go for a stroke. Turn this into a button, like so, and then we're gonna stroke. I already have that. Okay, we're gonna go 2 pixels. Take off the background. So now we have this right here, which we can basically. This will be our button. Place this like all the way here. 975. Yeah, 97 actually. So of course you can add the icon in here. Lower the not image, the stroke transparency. It's like 0.5, 0.6, 0.75, as you can see. So this right here is our basic header. And now to make the actual content, we have a header, we have section, and let me think. So header inside of section, we're gonna add a list layout. Okay, and I'm gonna copy header. Now you can see section should resize, add some padding, like so. And I suppose we can have like more padding. Okay, let's make sure everything here is good. Container. Okay, container is not working. Okay, this will be tab for each player, and I'm going to remove the title and the button. I need all this stuff. So we have tab and resize tab to 60 pixels in height. 61 is fine. Lower the padding, I guess. Alright, let me test out the container. Okay, that's fine. First, we're gonna have a frame. This will be the name portion. Add a list layout. Should we go vertical, center, fill horizontal. This will be Y 1, 0, and we're gonna go across like here, right? And then we're gonna add a frame, corner. This will be avatar. Corner 1, 0. Change the color. We have a list layout inside. Copy the text. We have this, right? As you can see. And then paste name, hide the background. Copy the gradient here. Paste it in. This is gotta be darker. Player name, player, at player here. Okay, resize, add some padding, like that, and we're good. Inside of name, we could obviously add padding as well for the left side, like that. All right, pretty good. So we have name, and we're gonna copy Control D. This will be our info. Once we bring the background back, 0.9, so I can see. Okay, take off the padding. So we have info here. We're gonna resize name so it goes like all the way here, and this will take up the remainder of the space, as you can see, like that. And here, basically, we're gonna add our stuff. So here you're gonna add our icon for rank icon. Okay, so rank, right? And I think I'm gonna go for this layout, like center. I think could work. So we have rank and basically just copy the text in, right? 20k. And then we have bounty. 1k. Right, and let's say let's go add some more padding here. 2. Okay. That is alright. We're gonna fix this 0.15. Nope. Actually, let's make these relative YY. And here we're gonna fix the size. So 2, for example, 2. And now we can add some padding. There we go. It should not affect the sizing. So 0.125, 0.12. Okay, and more padding. This thing is like weird. Wait, actually, I think I'm gonna go for like left for these. We're gonna have is like that. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, probably. Make this like 2.2. 1. Okay, I'm going to change the gradient here to a nice green. Right. Once again, I apologize for not talking very much. I'm kind of focused. So I hope you guys enjoy this kind of more relaxed designing, you know? Let's go for that. Okay, let me see how this looks. I think it looks pretty good. Pretty good. So basically, the idea here is that if we copy tab, it will resize like that. And for padding, let's go for offset value, like 10, you know? And then for section, I think we go for Y 0, okay? Section Y0, anchor point Y0, container 0. Okay, that copies, cool. Just like that, as you guys can see. I'm going to place container somewhere, like up. Oops. You like 0.35. Alright, so we have container. Change color. So, let us see. Inside of section, we could copy tab. You can see it adds a new player, right? And essentially, copy section. Boom. I'm gonna have a new section here. Add some padding. Container resizes, as you can see. Let me take off the corner. Perfect. And now we have, let's say, like police. You know, change the colors here real quick. Let's go for like blue color. Copy and paste it in here. Boom, boom, boom. Like that. We have police. Paste in here. And also here. As you guys can see. Pretty sweet. It is responsive, right? I guess you could go like center. I don't know if you want that. Yeah, I guess you can. So let's go for like 0.5. So basically, if we copy and have like criminals, right? And basically, if you hide these tabs, it will resize. Amazing. I mean, yeah, I don't know what else to say. Oh, let's go ahead, hide the canvas. Let's go add some transparency effects. And I think we gotta fix like the corner here, like very slightly. For the header, I mean, 0.22, 0.25. Okay, so 0.25 for the header. Corner, like so, and right here. Okay, so here is what I mean by transparency effects. So if we go for our header, for example, let's copy the color. Let's go for white. We're gonna add a gradient to control our stylization. Let's go paste the color here first of all, and we can make this like, you know, brighter like that. You know, go for like 0.9, no, 0.1, 1.5 transparency. As you can see, it adds a nice touch. Go for angle -90, and it looks even nicer, right? You can copy to the tabs and make the tabs the color white. As you guys can see, pretty sweet. So already you can see the difference, right, between the gradient transparent effects with the flat. So let's go ahead and copy this onto the rest, guys. Let's go ahead and make sure everything is scaled. So right here, that is good. That is good. Good. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Check out our store. Yeah, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Peace.